Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. I wanted to shoot this quick intro video to go in front of this video that I recorded last year when I was knitting the Casapinka Perfect Blend Shawl. I have made a video of that finished project. I'll put a link up here. I think it's there. Anyway, this video shows how to do a purl through the back stitch when you encounter a yarn over, which is the next stitch in your pattern. It was a little tricky, and so there was some people having some problems with it in the yarn group, so I made a video. And this was back when I was first starting to make videos. I think I even used my old phone to make the video. So it may not be oriented the right way, but I still thought it showed how to do the stitch very well. So I want to shoot this quick video telling you about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel and go along with me on my knitting journey. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. Hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, I'm at that same section that you are on color 5 where you're trying to do the purl through the back loop on that yarn over stitch, and I thought I'd just show you how I do it, and maybe that'll help, especially if it's easier to see sometimes than it is to read it. I just finished the first section repeat. That's what my purl through the back loop over that yarn over ends up looking like. I'll redo it again. I'll do another repeat. Alright, so you do knit, purl 2. I hope you are doing this English style knitting. I'm sorry, I'm not a continental knitter. Then you do knit, purl 1, and now we're going to do the purl through the back loop. What I do is I turn my needle this way so I can see it, like this, and then I grab that back stitch, and it's purling through the back loop, like that. Just like that. And it looks like that. Can you see it? Maybe I need to get a little closer. I'll try to do another repeat here. Let's see. Knit, purl 2, knit, purl. Now purl through the back loop. Let me see if I can get this closer for you to see. I am not a videographer, so I apologize. I'm trying to make sure this is what I do. I turn my needle this way. I grab that back stitch and I wrap my yarn around my needle that way to purl it. And then I just come through, take it off the needles, and that's what it ends up looking like. Okay, so I hope that helps, and hope you enjoy your shawl. I'm sure it's going to be amazing.